I have some good news for any of you guys that are planning on attending Dollywood's Smoky Mountain Christmas event this year, 2021, because Lightning Rod, I'm 90% sure, is back open. I had a video a little while ago talking about the fact that it was closed after a minor incident on September 24th, the details of which are still very vague. I can do a whole video later on everything I know about what happened with it this year if you guys would like, but the main thing I just wanted to point out in this video is that it is back. I'm 90% sure. I heard from a couple people online that it was testing pretty much all weekend last weekend, which made me hopeful that it would be open by this weekend. And I checked on this website called DollywoodWaitTimes.com, which I still have no idea who runs this website or like what it is, but it's basically like an archive of all of the wait times at Dollywood from practically any day for any ride. You can go look and see at 15-minute intervals what the wait times were on that day for any ride, and it seems to be pretty much 100% accurate in my experience actually being at the park and matching those up, which is really odd. But anyways, for today, November 6th, it did show Lightning Rod open for most of the day, averaging about like an 80-90 minute wait most of the day. It does appear that it went down for some short periods of time, most likely technical difficulties, but that's normal for Lightning Rod. It tends to go down at least once or twice at least during pretty much every operating day. So nothing too crazy. It was open for most of the day, it appears. And if that wasn't enough to convince, I also looked at qtimes.com, which is a different website that aggregates ride wait times from a variety of parks across the world. It also does some interesting statistical analysis on crowd levels at parks and stuff like that. It is a website completely covered in advertisements, but if you can deal with that, there's some interesting stats you can pull on parks. But that one also was reading Lightning Rod as being open when I looked around 5 p.m. today. So that's two different websites showing it as open. We know it was testing last week, so it seems I'm 90% sure that it's open. Now, shortly after I published my last video talking about the fact it was closed, Dollywood did change the description of Lightning Rod in both the Dollywood app and on Dollywood.com to say that this attraction is temporarily closed. But they've done that once before that I can remember, in particular in 2018 when they were getting new trains. I'm sure they did it last year with a new track. I just wasn't really paying attention. But 2018, when they got the new trains, the ride was open for like, I think it was like 2 weeks. The ride was open before they actually took the temporarily closed label off of the ride in the app and the website. I'm pretty sure in 2018 I rode Lightning Rod while it was still labeled on the website as temporarily closed. So if history is any indication, then it probably is still reopened, even though the website still says temporarily closed, because it might just take them a while to remove that label. I guess they want to make sure nothing's going to happen to put it down once again, but I'll definitely put a comment down in the comments to let you guys know when it is confirmed that that temporarily closed tag is gone. And if any of you were at Dollywood today, November 6th, or anytime after this date, and you saw Lightning Rod was open or closed, let me know kind of what its status was in the comments so we can all kind of keep an eye on it. But yeah, seems like should be good news.